Here's a quick tutorial on how you can change your Face ID on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing. Whether you're updating your Face ID for security or convenience, here's how you can do it. Firstly, go ahead and open up your phone and navigate to the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. In order to proceed, you must first enter in your current passcode. Scroll down until you find Reset Face ID. This is currently grayed out for me because I'm recording on my phone, but it'll be lit up for you. Essentially, just tap on Set Up Face ID after you remove your current Face ID by hitting Reset Face ID, and you'll be able to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to position your face within the frame and complete the scan. You can also choose to set it up with a mask by turning on this feature. There's also alternate appearance settings as well. Say you're wearing sunglasses or you want it to unlock in different angles of your face. Definitely worth checking out. But that's it, your Face ID has now been updated. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like on it and subscribing if you are brand new.